This is Trade Flow News, bringing you relevant news and insights from around the world. Trade Flow News, enabling trade for SMEs and economies worldwide.
Welcome back to TradeFlow TV. Markets move fast, and if you're not ahead, you're under. It is Friday, August 21st, 2026, and we are staring down one of the most perilous weekend holds of the quarter. The military-backed logistics we uncovered are being stress-tested. If you are holding paper liabilities, you are the exit liquidity. First up, the 60-second flash. Brent crude is violently pushing toward $95.20 as the secret U.S. military corridor through Hormuz faces its first major test. Meanwhile, natural gas pipelines go parabolic. The AI behind the meter gas boom has triggered a massive capital rotation into physical energy infrastructure. Wall Street is finally realizing that Silicon Valley is handing the fossil fuel industry a blank check to guarantee 24/7 power for their AI data centers. Wheat is locked limit up. Following Black Sea disruptions, global wheat futures hit daily limit-up circuit breakers within the first hour of trading. Finally, silver's vault drain. Spot silver is consolidating near $65.80, but the physical market is chaos as AI hardware officers drain private London vaults. Let's deep dive into the Friday freight trap. The global economy is hanging by a thread of military logistics and unyielding industrial demand. When you rely on a militarized shipping lane, risk does not pause for the weekend. A single drone strike could trap dozens of carriers instantly. This forces refiners into a panic-buying frenzy, aggressively bidding up spot cargoes from the Atlantic Basin to avoid the Middle East. Brent at $95 is the mathematical cost of extreme logistical fragility. This brings us to the great AI fossil fuel rotation. The most profitable trade of the month is hiding in plain sight. Capital is rotating out of software and into physical pipeline operators feeding off-grid plants. AI hyperscalers are abandoning the public grid to build private natural gas power plants. If you own the pipes, you own the toll booth to the AI boom. Tech has realized grid delays will kill the revolution. By partnering with gas producers, they own the primary engine of the digital economy. At the same time, the limit-up move in wheat is the ultimate stagflationary warning. Fertilizer costs have created a perfect storm for agricultural failure. Sovereign nations are abandoning just-in-time models and hoarding physical grain because late 2026 yields are severely compromised. This guarantees a devastating spike in consumer grocery prices heading into Q4, which will paralyze central banks from making dovish pivots. Here is the trade flow take. Welcome to the Friday risk-off bloodbath. The physical supercycle is dictating the terms of global trade. Maintain maximum defense against Hormuz risk. Aggressively add to positions in U.S. natural gas pipelines. They are the new AI utility stocks.
That is all for today's news on commodity markets. Stay tuned to Trade Flow News as we continue to provide you with more updates. We also invite you to follow us on Twitter at TradeFlow News, which allows you to watch our program on your mobile device or desktop to receive information from there.